Viewgol Analytics, the tool that transforms your PM system data into a powerhouse of revenue cycle management insights. Say goodbye to disjointed reporting tools and step into unparalleled transparency. With Viewgol Analytics, you can tap into real-time, reliable revenue cycle management data in seconds. Take, for instance, the Total at-Risk scorecard exposes encounters at risk, enabling your team to intervene swiftly and ensure claims receive the attention they deserve. Or what about your team? With the Employee Productivity Scorecards, you can keep track of your top performers while also understanding your team's overall performance, effectiveness, and production levels. Dive deeper into your organization's data with over 50 pre-configured reports and the flexibility to create custom reports based upon the unique needs of your organization, individual practices, or even provider. Step into the future of revenue cycle management with Viewgol Analytics. Start your free data assessment today at viewgol.com.